How many bones do sharks have? How do starfish communicate? Why do dolphins squeak? G'day wildlife friends, it's Nathan from the Wildlife Movement here with your questions of the week. Every week we pick 3 questions to answer from our students or our viewers to spread the message that nature is an amazing place. If you have any questions that you would like answered, let us know in the comments below and we may answer them in a future video. Our first question for this week came in from someone on Facebook who wanted to know, how many bones do sharks have? Sharks are one of my favourite creatures on the entire planet, so I love to answer questions about them. Surprisingly, sharks don't actually have any bones at all. Their skeletons are made entirely of cartilage, which is the same stuff that our nose and our ears are made of. Cartilage is much lighter and more flexible than bone, which means that sharks don't need as much energy to swim or hunt. But you may be wondering, what about the shark's teeth? Well, shark teeth are actually made of 2 different materials called dentin and enamel. Both of these materials are much harder than bone, which means that sharks are able to eat the shells and bones of their prey without worrying about breaking their teeth. Our second question for this week was asked by one of the students in our vacation care programs who wanted to know, how do starfish communicate? When I watch our starfish, I usually see them climbing on top of each other or interacting with their arms. In the wild, they may do this to compete for access to food or to mates, and to communicate which sea stars are stronger. The second really interesting way that sea stars can communicate is through special chemicals called pheromones. Starfish release these pheromones into the surrounding water to attract other starfish so that they can breed. Because these pheromones are so attractive, some scientists have started developing them in the lab so that they can help to remove some of the sea stars that cause problems on the Great Barrier Reef. Our third question for this week comes in from Bo, who wanted to know, why do dolphins squeak? The sounds that dolphins make are absolutely fascinating, so thanks for another amazing question, Bo. Dolphins make a lot of different sounds, including whistles, clicks, and squeaks. The first reason that they do this is to communicate with each other. Some species of dolphins have a different whistle for each individual in their group, which is called a signature whistle. They use these signature whistles to call out to other individuals in their group or to communicate their own wishes and needs. Mothers will also use their signature whistles to help locate their babies in the group. The second reason that dolphins produce sounds is to navigate or hunt using a process called echolocation. The sounds that dolphins make bounce back off all of the objects that are in the environment around them, including other dolphins, fish, predators, rocks, and the seafloor. Their ears are so sensitive that they can use the returning sounds to figure out the size, shape, and material of the objects around them and how far away they are. This means that they can find food, other dolphins, or predators when it is dark or when the water is dirty. Let us know in the comments if you would like to learn more about the amazing abilities of dolphins, and we may make a video about them in the future. That wraps it up for this week's questions of the week. If you found this video interesting or if you learnt something new, please make sure that you give this video a like and check out this playlist right here, which is full of amazing animal facts. If you are enjoying our content, please consider subscribing to our channel or sharing this video with a friend so that we can continue to grow our community here on YouTube to spread the message that nature is awesome. Thanks for watching to the end of the video, and until next time, keep living the wild life.